In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a PDF in Google Drive. We'll be using Google Drive together with Google Docs to change the page orientation and then save the file back as a PDF. This is a simple workaround that can be helpful when your document appears sideways or when you want it displayed in portrait or landscape format. Start by going to your Google Drive home. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand column and click on My Drive so you can access the files stored in your account. From here, find the PDF you want to rotate. Next, click on the three dots next to that PDF to open the File Options menu. In the menu that appears, choose Open With and then select Google Docs. This will open the PDF in a format that you can work with inside Google's editor. Depending on the file, it may take a moment to load, especially if the PDF has a lot of text or images. Once the file is open in Google Docs, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, choose Page Setup. In the Page Setup window, look for the Orientation section. Here, you'll choose either landscape or portrait, depending on how you want the PDF to be rotated. If your original file looks too tall or too wide, this is the setting that helps correct that layout. After choosing the orientation you want, click OK to apply the change. Then go back to File in the top left once again. This time hover over or click Download and then choose PDF Document or .pdf. That will save the newly adjusted version of your file to your device as a PDF. Once the download is complete, return to your Google Drive Home or My Drive. Now you'll upload the rotated version back into Drive. To do that, click New, then choose File Upload. Browse your device and select the newly rotated PDF file you just downloaded. After the upload finishes, your updated PDF will now be available in Google Drive in its rotated format. If you want to keep things organized, a useful tip is to rename the new file so you can easily tell it apart from the original version. That way you'll know which one is the edited PDF and which one is the source file. And that's all it takes to rotate a PDF in Google Drive using Google Docs.